All right, this is SparkiMath 1, and we're going to do rectangles this time. Recall that SparkiMath 1 does all the shapes, rectangles, triangles, octagons, and so forth. Push the square key 4 times, and we get out of Sparki mode and into SparkiMath 1 mode. And the first shape we're presented with is a triangle. If we push the right arrow key, we can sequence to the rectangle shape, and then to the pentagon shape, hexagon, and followed by the octagon shape. But we're really interested in going with the rectangle this time. And again, you can do squares if you want. We'll push the right arrow key twice, and that'll get us into the rectangle shape. And then we're going to be presented with the first question, which is enter the first side. So being a real rectangle, let's do 20 centimeters on this side. And then for the second side, the up and down side, we'll do 10 centimeters. So as soon as we key in the 10, Sparky takes off and he begins to draw the rectangle for us. Turns 90 degrees, he draws the 10 centimeter side. Turns again and he draws another 20 centimeter side. And then finally he'll turn and draw the remaining 10 centimeter side. So now comes the questions. How many sides are in a rectangle? Well, we just saw it was 4, so let's key in 4 and push the square key. And Sparky seems to like that because he claps his grippers 3 times. And he begins to redraw the rectangle, and he's going to redraw the first side, come to the vertex, and then turn 90 degrees, and then ask us the next question, which is how many sides are left to draw. So we can see it's really 3, so we key in 3, push the square key, and yes, Sparky likes that, so he claps his grippers 3 times. And this gives your students a real opportunity to kind of concentrate on what's really being done. And they really have to know, like, for example, how many angles are in a rectangle. We know it's 4, so we're going to key in 4. But they could key in some other answer, and they might be wrong. But anyway, we're going to proceed along the third side of the rectangle. And now we're going to turn, and Sparky's going to ask us the fourth question. How many angles are left to draw? Well, I accidentally keyed in 2. The correct answer is 1, so let's see what Sparky does. He shakes his head no, like that's not the right answer. But he keeps on going, and he finally completes the rectangle. So Sparky can actually answer no to a question that's wrong. So once again, this is an opportunity to show students how to draw square or rectangular shapes. They can do any sort of sides they want. They can actually draw the whole room, but make sure not to put the pin in so it doesn't interfere with drawing on the floor. So that's about it. Use your imagination.